Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Academy. So we want to evaluate what we have on the board. So this is a solved problem. So we want to evaluate this solved. It says root 2 plus 5 over root 4 plus root 3. So to evaluate this, you have to first of all rationalize and find the conjugate. Then once you find the conjugate, you distribute. As simple as that, you get your final answer by simplification. Right, so look at what I mean. Solution. Right, sorry, let me change this marker. So from this, root, seems like this is worst. Root 2 plus 5 over what? Root 4 plus root 3 is equal to find the conjugate. This is what? Root 2 plus root 5 over what? Root 4 plus root 3 times the conjugate. So the conjugate of this is the denominator, right? Then you have the inverse of the sign. That means we are having plus here. That means you have minus. Had it been we are having minus, we change it to what? Plus, right? So we multiply the conjugate, which is what? Root 4 minus root 3 over what? Root 4 minus root 3. This is equal to, first of all, from this, you might not even need to rewrite this into having brackets. You can actually distribute straightforward. From you use this root 2 to multiply the first term here. You use root 2 to multiply the second term. You use root 5 to multiply the first term. Use root 5 to multiply the second term. Is that clear? Now look at what I mean by the distribution. We have root 2 here. Root 2 into what? Root 4 minus root 3. Right? Plus root 5 into what? Root 4 minus root 3. Right? Over what we have here. We'll do the same thing here. You have root 4 into what? Root 4 minus root 3 plus root 3 into what? Root 4 minus root 3. Right? This is equal to, let's make use of this space over there. So what are you doing basically? We are using what? This to multiply this and also multiply this. Then we'll do the same thing here. You use this, which is root 5, to multiply this and this. We'll do the same thing here and do the same thing here. As simple as that. So if we do that, we have this is equal to root 2 times root 4 will give you root 8. Right? It will give you root 8. So we have root 8 minus root 2 times root 3 will give you what? Root 6. Plus root 5 times root 4 will give you what? Root 20. Minus root 5 times root 3 will give you what? Root 15. So we are done with our numerator. We'll go straight to the denominator. So from here, root 4 times root 4 will give you 4. Right? Because this actually means root 4 coming 2 times. And you know that the square root of any number raised to power 2 is that number, right? So here we have what? 4. Right? This root 4 times minus root 3 will give you what? Minus root 12. Plus root 3 times root 4 will give you what? Root 12. Root 3 times root minus root 3 will give you what? 3 minus 3. Give you minus 3. Right? Okay, so from this now, what do we do next? We have minus 12 here and 12 here. You have to cancel out. This will cancel out. Right? So what do we do next? You collect like terms. We have 4 here. and we have 3 here. That means 4 minus 3 will give you 1. So that means the whole of this thing over 1. So for the numerator, can we simplify further? No, we can't. Because they are not having the same root. But had it been they are having the same root, then we can simplify further. Right? So let's assume we are having maybe root 2 plus 3 root 2. This should be equal to what? 4 root 2. Because they are having the same root. Right? But in absence of this, this is equal to the whole of this root. Sorry, let me write it down here, since we have enough space. This is equal to root 8 minus root 6 plus root 20 minus root 15. Right? As simple as that.